Hello everyone, Melanie Morissette here with Abstract Fitness. Today we're going to work on your neck. So we're going to try to release some tension right in your neck, and you're going to need some tools here. You're going to need a tennis balls, or you're going to need a Theracane, and I'm going to show you in a second what it is. I'm a certified personal trainer, but also a corrective exercise specialist. So that's why I'm going to show you what I do with my clients. So see you in a few minutes. I haven't been to a chiropractor or even a physiotherapist for years because you know what? I know how to treat myself, how to take care of myself. Sometimes I use equipment. That's the Theracane, and I also use different balls and even a foam roller. We're going to use the Theracane a lot today because I want we focus at releasing tension in the neck. The thing is, with the balls, you can target the back of your neck, okay, and all the way here in your shoulder blades. But you cannot target the top of your neck. So that's why you're going to need the Theracane. Where to buy one? Don't go on Amazon. They are way too expensive right now. They are over $50. Instead, just go to your favorite fitness stores. You can get it for about $30. If you are living in Kelowna, mention Abstract Fitness, the name of my business, and you're going to get 10% off. I send all my clients right there at the stores. Okay, I'm going to show you how to use it. I'm going to put the ball away for now because I want to focus on that tool. So what I do here, I'm going to turn around. We have tension, so the muscles are attached all the way up to the skull right here, and it goes all the way down. Okay, and fascia is usually tight as well, so what attach everything together. So your muscles, tendon, ligaments. It's a kind of a spider web everywhere in your body. So when the muscles are tight, fascia is tight. So I want you to find tension right here, everywhere in your neck. So please don't go on the bone. You stay in each side of your vertebrae. And you're going to stay there, breathe each spot for 30 seconds. And then you're going to switch. There we go. I have some a little bit here. I'm going to stay there for 30. Find another spot. There we go. Seriously, guys, it can take me half an hour to focus only on my neck when I have neck pain. So I'm going to do that all the way. I'm going to go even behind again. There we go. See, I have a little bit of tension here. I'm going to stay here. And try to target as well right there. This is your upper traps, levator scapula does that. Okay, usually they are tight, especially if you spend a lot of time behind a desk, shoulders are elevated, stress, shoulders are up. Okay, so right here, side of your neck is very tight, upper traps, levator scapula. Now I'm going to target, I'm going to try to see if I have tension on the side of the neck. I mostly use this one. So you're going to see in some stores, they have just that part. They don't need that. That's okay. I barely use this part. So go on the side of the neck, try to do the same thing. Sometimes I have tension right behind my ear. Try it out. Again, keep breathing. 30 seconds, and then you're going to switch side. Or switch spot, I should say. There we go. Okay, and then I want you to go right on top. Like I said, usually this is very tight. Try it out. If you want to have a little bit more, you're going to tilt your head the opposite way. I feel it more. There we go. And then you're going to switch. So I want you to go each side, right here in the hole between your collarbone and the top of your shoulder. We have a little hole there. Test it out. Try if you have tension. But my tension is mostly right here, right on top. So again, levator scapula, but also your upper traps. And optional to tilt your head. I use that tool a lot with my clients. And it's super efficient. You just need to take the time to do it, and then you'll be pain-free. Voila. Some people like going there as well. For me, I prefer using tennis ball to go between my shoulder blades, but you're welcome to use it right there as well, between the shoulder blades, on top, for the shoulder. There we go. So I want you to have fun with that tool. It's called a Theracane. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again very soon. You want more videos? Go on my website, www.abstractfitness.ca.